Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prajna Mattihalli, who is working in Government First Grade College Kittur, preparing this video on company meetings. It is the fourth unit in company regulations in business decisions. Dear students, welcome to my video. Let us discuss some points about company meetings in this video. From the point of view of examination, I have covered many aspects in this video. Here, let us first understand the introductory part of this topic. A company meeting is a formal gathering of members or directors. Sometimes it will be the meeting of members or meeting of directors. Both are called as meeting. Therefore, it may be either meeting of members or the directors. Meetings are conducted to discuss company affairs and make decisions. Decisions taken in meetings become legally binding. This is because company meetings are conducted as per the norms of company law. Therefore, whatever the decisions taken in the meetings will become legally binding. That means the office bearers of the company, shareholders of the company, or directors of the company should follow the decisions in the meeting. Meetings ensure transparency and participation in management. That means the decisions taken in the meetings are advertised or declared to all. Everyone will come to know about it and it will be implemented in the days to come. Objectives, that means why the meetings are taken place. Approving financial statements. If there is any kind of financial statement, just like profit and loss account, balance sheet, it has to be approved in the meeting. Everyone should read it, everyone should know about it, and everyone should give the approval for the same. Policy decisions will be taken in the meetings. Protecting shareholders' interest. That is the idea behind the meeting. Ensuring statutory compliance. Whatever the statutes we have made, whatever the law is telling, we have to follow the same. Appointment of directors and auditors are made with the help of meeting. It will be done in the meeting. Every year, auditors will be appointed. Every year, directors will be appointed in the meeting. Then, what are the types of company meetings? How many types are there? That is, meetings are of basically three types. That is, shareholders, then directors meeting, and creditors meeting. Shareholders meeting are of again three types. That is AGM, annual general meeting. Every year it has to be taken place. So the name is AGM, annual general meeting. EOGM, that means extraordinary general meeting. For some extraordinary or special reasons, it will be taken place. Therefore, the name suggests that it is extraordinary for some special reason. Class meeting means only one class of shareholder will be discussing or they will be meeting together. Therefore, it is called as class meeting. Then comes the directors meeting. Directors meeting are also of two types. One is called as board meeting, means every director will be present over that and common matters will be discussed in the board meeting. Then committee meeting. Some of the directors will come together and form a committee, and only that committee will be conducting the meeting. It is called as committee meeting. And as far as company is concerned, there will be some kind of creditors. They may be debenture holders or they may be the financiers who have given loan to the company. They are called as creditors. Their meetings are also necessary, so that will be conducted, and it is called as creditors meeting. So once again, let me repeat: shareholders meeting, directors meeting, creditors meeting. Shareholders meeting are of three types: annual general meeting, extraordinary general meeting, and class meeting. Let us understand one and another. Meetings of shareholders. Shareholders are the owners of the company. They have to conduct the meeting, and important meeting is called as annual general meeting. And sometimes for extraordinary special reasons, EGM, extraordinary general meeting, will be called for. Otherwise, class meetings, only certain class of the shares are going to be um, conducted. That is called as class meetings. And as I have already mentioned, meetings of directors are board meetings and committee meetings. Meetings of creditors. It is conducted during compromise, arrangement, or winding up proceedings. For some special reasons only, these meetings are going to be conducted. Let us understand one after the other. Then first let us think of annual general meeting. According to section 96 of Indian Companies Act, this is the compulsory meeting. Every company must hold an AGM every year. It is compulsory, it is mandatory, it is legally must and should to be conducted. First AGM should be conducted within 9 months from the close of first financial year, and other subsequent AGMs will be conducted after completion of every year within 6 months from the close of financial year. Every year it is to be conducted. Gap between two AGMs should not exceed 15 months. 1 year plus 3 months. After 1 year, immediately meeting has to be conducted. So it should not cross 15 months. What are the business? What are the topics to be discussed in AGM? Adoption of financial statements, then a declaration of dividend. How much dividend is to be declared by the company? What is the profit? So what is the percentage of dividend to be declared will be discussed in the meeting, and it should be approved by all. Therefore, it should be discussed in the meeting only. Appointment of directors and auditors. As I have already mentioned, every year auditor should be appointed. Every year auditor should be appointed. So the same auditor may be appointed, but he has to be appointed. The same auditor, but he has to be reappointed every year. So for many years, the same auditor can be continued, but every year this matter is to be approved by all. In the same way, directors who are going to retire should be continued or reappointed, or some new directors can be appointed, but that thing is to be finalized in the AGM. What is extraordinary general meeting? It is defined, it is told in section 100 of Indian Companies Act. So it is convened to transact urgent or special business. So every year general meeting is going to be conducted, but we cannot wait up to next general meeting. Special matter is there. Then we have to conduct the EGM, specially uh, called meeting is called as extraordinary general meeting. It may be called by board of directors may call, or members holding prescribed voting power may call, or tribunal in certain cases may call the EGM. Examples of extraordinary general meeting: alteration of memorandum or alteration of articles of association. If this alteration is to be made only in specially called meetings. Removal of directors. If for any reason directors are being removed, then it is to be conducted. Extraordinary general meeting is to be conducted. Approval of merger. If any company, two companies are going to be merged, they are going to become single company. A small company is going to be included in big company. That is merger. Then approval is to be taken by all the members. So extraordinary general meeting is to be conducted and the decision is to be taken. Then what about the board meeting? Board meeting, the rules and regulations about the board meeting is given in section 173 of Indian Companies Act. Every company must hold its first board meeting within 30 days of incorporation. That is registration. When the registration is done, immediately within 13 days, and within 1 month, board meeting is to be called for. Minimum 4 board meetings every year. That is to be conducted quarterly. After every 3 months, board meeting is to be conducted. So minimum 4 board meetings should be there in a year. Gap between two meetings should not exceed 120 days. That is 3 months. 3 months. Once in a 3 months, board meeting is to be conducted. What is the importance of board meeting? Why it is conducted? A strategic decision making will be made in board meetings. Policy will be formulated. All the policies of the company are formulated in board meetings. Monitoring the company operation can be done. What is going to be, what has happened in last 3 months, that can be discussed. What is going to be happened in the next 3 months, that can also be discussed. So quarterly board meetings will be taken place. In this video, I have discussed the primary aspect, and immediately I have prepared the next video on this topic, wherein I have discussed the requirements, legal requirements of a valid meeting for the company meetings. Some points are required for making it valid. What are those? Let us understand in my next video. I have prepared Kannada videos also on the same topics. So if you are well versed with Kannada, then or if you are going to write the answers in Kannada medium, please refer my Kannada videos, wherein I have discussed the matter in Kannada and also slides are prepared in Kannada medium itself. Thank you. Don't be hesitate to give the feedback to my videos so that I can improve myself and I can contribute to students' fraternity with the effectiveness. Thank you, students.